초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Hello guys, punta kami sa picnic. Picnic. Meet up with Ninang ni Baby from Switzerland. Hangga. Ito yung outfit namin. Alam bilbil ko. Hangga. I don't have here. I told you here. Hello guys. Hello to guys. Tanggalin ko yun mamaya sa salakyan yung ano nyo guys. Plaster para makapapicture kami dun kasi ang ganda dun ng view. Maraming mga bulaklak. Ha? Yeah. Hello guys. We met Ninang from Switzerland. Yeah, and first time to meet of sino nga yun, nakalimutan ko, Van Trick Agoy Music, kinuha ko. Hello guys, nandito na kami sa flowers, ano ang tawag dito, Minaw flowers. Dito kami mag-meet guys ng Ninang ni Baby from Switzerland at saka si Van Trick from Switzerland. Ayan o, flower. Flower power. There's a flower power. Oh, watching the baby. Baby is watching the hell. Meryl was watching the water.
Oh, forgot beer cans. The thing of stuff. I can also buy there.
Come on, you're always thinking. Come on, don't do that, please. Ay. Look at the swan. There's a swan langka. Come on, come here and here. Come here and here.
Als flache is. Zo staat voor je.
Daming tao. Ayan, ang ganda guys. Sa flowers. Decor. So, Bibi nag-jacket guys. Medyo malamig-lamig. Tingnan namin dito yung kung saan sila. Kung saan sila ni Shukoy.
It's not listed here.
By Shukoy, Ninang ni Baby guys. Dito sila. Orchids. Ang ganda dito guys. Oh. Nandun sa dulo sila ni Shukoy guys. Nauna kasi sila. Kami matagal kasi matagal to magising oh. Matagal magising ang aming baby. Holy. What is this? Zoo? Animal zoo? Ano yun guys? Donkey. Donkey? Why don't go there? Look nice, the flowers there. Take a picture from there.
You want to run to your friends? What's the problem?
You said first the animals.
They run everywhere.
You said first animals. There's the animals now. Come on, first we're going to go to flowers. Then I want first the animals. Langga oh. Meron. What's kind sound of? What is that? She wants to touch. Come on, let's go to the flowers. She is not interested. I think in the flowers she's interested. Look, this is. We cannot walk from here. We can walk from here, maybe.
No, not allowed to open the grass everywhere.
Yeah, doon nag-ambisyon na si Baby. Come on, relax. Take a picture here. Go first, Meryl. Hello, go there. Take a picture with Papa. Picture na kami dito, guys. Now, next is this one, the flowers. Come on. Come on, Mirel. Come here. Ang ganda, oh. So nice. Come here, Papa. So the view is there. Look. Look. Sit here.
Stand.
Okay, stand up. We stand up, Papa. We stand up. Hold up, please. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. This is the view.
Depositar.
You hold. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the
It's the view. Yeah.
view.
Nagtago si Papa. Flowers. Nice flowers. Huh? Flowers. Look at the flowers. Nice. What's wrong with you? You're tired? Feel tired? She's watching the flowers. Ang ganda ng guys. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Oh. She point the flowers. Oh, look the flowers. Come here. Walk there. Look here the flowers. Look at the flowers. Look. That's flowers. Nice flowers. Come. Come here. Langga, come. Oh, mangahoy na po. Pabukid yun si baby. Napaghalataan na yung mga followers mo na lagi ka namumulot ng kahoy. Kita ko guys kasi mahangin. Malamig ang hangin.
Watch out where you're walking. Watch out, Mom.
Daryl, come on. Ang mahal kaya ng bayad ng entrance dito, guys. 60 euro is almost 5,000. Dalawa ang Peter. Si baby free. Almost 5,000 pesos. Para lang makita ang ganitong view. Hindi pa siya as in pa kaganda kasi hindi pa siya talagang pamulaklak mga lahat. Wow. Water, look. May kalog-kalog. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda guys dito. Parang ano ba? Parang ano tawag doon? Paradise. Parang paradise. Mga natuyo na guys. Oh. Ito. Ang kanaas na sapa. Come here. Look, nice flowers. Ang ganda ng ang ganda sana to guys. So, kung ano yung iba, ano na, tuyo na yung iba. Tuyo na. Ayan ang lake guys. O, parang dagat. Lake lang yan. That is lake. Come here. Ito guys. O, ano. Hala. Pwede tayong maghingi dito mga pako. Pako. You know what? This is the Philippines can eat this one.
The farm.
Fern, yeah. Can eat that one. Can eat. Vegetable. Let's go. Fern. Pako. Pero hindi pa ako nakatry niyan guys. Yung pako. Ay! Ano to klase? Black guys. Ang ganda. Blue. Alang ganda. Ang cute. Stin rain. Incel. Constant. Mga lugar. Radolcel. Diyan kami dati guys sa Radolcel. Si baby oh. Naka-exercise talaga siya lakad. Ang ganda so nice.
Frisches Eis? Wurde auch noch nicht angeschleckt? Nee, das ist
Si baby dito kami sa gitna ng so nice here. Ang laki ng tabi-tabi. Ang laki. Nice. Ganda dito guys.
Start again.
Bad mood si baby guys. Bad mood. Mauyong siya today. You're so mauyong today. Hello guys. Hello to the guys. Bad mood talaga si baby guys.
The airship robot above us.
Bad mood talaga si baby.
Look, Mira, look up.
Ang ganda. Siguro pag nakasakay dyan, no? How much pay that lang, Myla? If you ride that one? How much you pay?
€200.
Oh gosh. 10,000 nga ang plate dyan guys. Within 1 hour only?
Yeah, something like that.
1 hour sakay-sakay, 10,000 atay. Ipalit na lang nato bugas sa Pilipinas guys. Mabusog pa ang mga pamilya sa Pilipinas. Daghang ng bugas ng 10,000.